Hello everyone, this is Aida Golami from Agrimet Research Company, and I'm here to show you how to convert rows to columns in Excel. So this is a really easy and quick tutorial. It doesn't have anything hard. So you can see I have some months list, and then I have, say, there the days of the months, I don't know, whatever. I have some data for each month. Okay, I want them to be shown in columns instead of rows. So what will I do is that I just need to go for selecting the all range, Control C or copy. You can even use this option here, or right click OK, or Control C. Any of them will work. And then you should select any cell that doesn't overlap with this range. So if I go for here and right click and say transpose, it will show me this warning that says this selection isn't valid. Make sure the copy and paste areas don't overlap unless they are the same size and shape. So they aren't the same size and shape. I should go for something else, somewhere else, and right click, and here click on transpose function in paste options. Okay, when I click on that, you can see that all my data are now organized in columns instead of rows. So you can do it also for columns. So I can just click this range and copy and go for here and click transpose, and you can see it will be again organized in rows. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimet channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.